In this video, we will show you how to access and use the new M5 Reports module. This module has to be activated by Mandarin Technical Services. In order to find out if the module is active for your M5 installation, log in to your M5 and go to Reports. If this link is displayed at the top of the page, the new Reports module has been enabled for your M5 and you can click on it to access the module. Enter your username and password to access Reports. If you do not have your login credentials, contact us and we will provide them. Once in the main page, we can go ahead and run a report. Let's say we want to see the holdings that were added between certain dates. We can run this report by expanding the item list section, select holdings created by selected date range. On the right side of the page, we'll find the area where we enter the search criteria for the report. In this case, it is asking for a start date and an end date. Simply click on the empty box and a calendar will show up where you can select the dates. With the dates entered, click on the Run Report button and a spinning gear icon will let you know the system is generating the report. Please note, if required search information is missing, the button will not be clickable. And once the report is ready, a window will pop up displaying the results. Depending on the report, you may find information filters, a button to generate a CSV file, and columns that can be clicked to change the sorting. The filters allow you to display the information you want to print out. Let's say you only want the fiction books. We enter the prefix in the Filter by Column field and press Enter. Only our fiction items are now showing. And now we want those to be sorted by title. Simply click on Title. Now our report is sorted by title. Notice there's a difference in color between title and barcode. That means columns without a black heading can be sorted by clicking on the heading itself. If you wish to email the report results, simply send the link displayed at the top of the browser to your recipients. Also, we can print this report by using the browser's printing function like so. If you want to generate a CSV file, simply click on the button labeled CSV. A window will pop up and you will find a file in your downloads folder called either download or one with a random name, depending on the browser being used. Labels work in a similar fashion to reports. However, there is an extra step to be taken before printing. Generate the labels just like a report by selecting the one you want, selecting or entering the criteria, and pressing Run Report. Again, a new window will pop up with a preview of your labels. Take notice before hitting print. First, we need to click on this button called Render PDF. Your labels will now display as a PDF file to be printed out. Also, if you're using the Google Chrome browser, before printing, make sure Fit to Page is not selected in order for the labels to align properly. If you do not find the report you need, or you need an existing report modified, please contact us and we will do this for you.